Hi everybody, and welcome to this channel about Revit. In these first videos I'm going to show you how to install Revit. And the first thing you want to do is search the web, Autodesk Education. You're going to go into this free software under Education. And what to do here is actually just to sign up, then you're eligible to get the free Revit. So we're going to try to do that. Press the sign in button. Let's see what it does. Now I already have an account, but of course here you have to create your own account. So we're going to try to do that. And I'm from Denmark, right? And you put your educational role in as a student. Right. So put in your name. I'm not going to use my company name because I have already an account there. And you have to agree on the terms. And now you can create your own account. So I just have to go into my Gmail, verify my account, and press verify email. Okay, now we're done. Almost. Your education is via. And we are a state engineering and construction enrolled from. Of course, here you want to put in your data because that means that you can actually keep the license. All right, so now we're logged onto the Autodesk Education platform, and we can choose Revit. So I'm going to press that button, and you just have to tell the computer or the website which version you want, what is your operating system, and which language. English would be preferable because the book is in English. Right, so it's time just to install, and you have to accept once more. Okay, we're just going to install this. And now you should be ready to install the program on your computer. Be aware that it is a rather large program, so it'll probably take some time.